Good morning, class 12 science student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is organic compound containing nitrogen. As before we start, we should know the syllabus of this chapter. As it is mentioned on your screen, the first topic is aliphatic amines, which includes journal formula and classification of amines, structure of the amino group, nomenclature, methods of preparation, physical and chemical properties, uses, identification of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Under this topic, we have to study about amines, nomenclature, classification with examples, method, journal formula. Next topic is the method of preparations of aliphatic amines from. First reaction is from alcohol, from alkyl halide, from cyanide, from amide, which known as Hofmann degradation, from nitro compounds, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Physical properties includes comparison between primary, secondary, tertiary amines in terms of states, solubility, boiling point, that is hydrogen bonding, comparison with alcohol. The next topic is chemical properties, which includes a basic character of amines, comparison between primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl amines, ammonia, aniline, effect of substituent on the basic effects of aniline, alkylation and acylation with mechanism, the reaction with nitrous acid, carbylamine reaction, distinction between primary, secondary and tertiary amines, which known as Hinsberg test. The next major heading is the aniline. We have to study aniline. First of all, the subtopic included in this is preparation, reduction of nitrobenzene, physical properties, state, solubility, boiling point. A chemical property includes a reaction with HCl and H2SO4. The reaction with acetyl group, that is acylation and alkylation. Next is benzoylation. Carbylamine reaction, this is a name reaction we have to study. Diazotization. Next is electrophilic substitution reaction, which includes bromination, nitration and sulfonation. The next topic is the test for aniline, uses of aniline. The major next topic is the diazonium salt, which includes preparation, chemical reaction, and it's important in synthetic organic chemistry. Preparation from aniline, properties, Sandmeyer reaction, Guttermann's reaction, replacement of diazo group by hydrogen, the OH, the hydroxyl group, that is nitro group NO2, coupling reaction with phenol and aniline. This is all the syllabus, reduced syllabus of chapter 13, organic compound containing nitrogen. We shall start a chapter, organic compound containing nitrogen. Aliphatic amines. The topic is aliphatic amines. The formula for the aliphatic amines is RNS2. The amines are regarded as the derivatives of ammonia, in which one or two or all three hydrogen atoms are replaced by alkyl or aryl halides. Here the reaction has been mentioned, that is NS3. if the R will added in this, अगर एक R ऐड कराया जाए और एक हाइड्रोजन रिमूव किया जाए तो हमारे पास RNS2 आ जाएगा. अगेन इट इज़ एन प्राइमरी अमीन, डेट इज़ RNS2. अगर फिर से हम R को ऐड कराते हैं और हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कराते हैं, देन वी विल हैव R2NH. फिर हम इसको क्या करेंगे, फिर एक R एल्काइल ग्रुप ऐड कराएंगे, हाइड्रोजन को रिमूव कराएंगे, R3N. दिस इज़ अ टर्शरी अमीन. So the formula for the primary amine is RNS2, for secondary amine is R2NH, and the tertiary amine is R3N. The amines are found among proteins, vitamins, hormones, etc. Amines have extensive use like a quinine, anti-malarial drug, ephedrine, that is increasing blood pressure, novocaine, and so on. There is a plenty of drugs which includes a amine group in that. The structure is very clear from this. The amines have a trigonal pyramidal shape. Classification already I've explained you about the primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Primary amine, that is RNS2. The secondary amine is R2NH, and the tertiary amine is R3N. Okay, the beside amine can be classified as aliphatics amine and aromatic amines. This is a major or a broad classification of amines. Next, we are having a nomenclature. It is very clear, and we have already done this now nomenclature in class 11th also. That is, structure is mentioned, that is C2H5NS2. It is ethyl amine. The common name and IUPAC name both are same. The next structure is NS3, is that is CS3, 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 CH, CS3, NS2. That is isopropyl amine. The IUPAC name is propane 2 amine, and so on. All these are the name, structure, common name, IUPAC name of amines. We should start a topic next. So we are going to start a reaction part of this chapter, that is preparation of amine. The first is reduction of nitro compound. The nitro group is RNO2, which when it is reduced in the presence of rhenium, nickel, platinum or palladium at a room temperature, we will have a product that is RNS2, that is amine, plus 2 molecule of water. Next reaction is ammonolysis of alkyl halides. When an halide reacts with an ammonia in the presence of 100 degree Celsius, or we can say 373 Kelvin, we will have a RNS3X as a product. Okay, in this, the process of cleavage of CX bond by ammonia molecule and is known as Hofmann ammonolysis. This reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at a temperature of 373 Kelvin. In this reaction, alkyl halides undergo a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, we are having a reduction of nitrile and isonitrile. When alkyl cyanide, that is RCN, that is alkyl cyanide, when reduced by reduced by in the presence of nickel or LiAlH4 or sodium amalgam in ethyl alcohol, this all three reagent will convert alkyl cyanide into a primary amine, that is RCS2NS2. The next we are having reduction of amide. The amide, this formula is the RCONS2. In this R, that is CONS2, is an amide group. When reduced in the presence of LiAlH4 in ether, next is water. We hydrolyze it. We will have a product that is primary amine, that is RCS2NS2. Next we are having Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. In this, as you know, the formula for the amide group is CONS2. When it is attached with an R, it will give you the alkyl amide, that is RCONS2. In the presence of Br2 KOH at the heat, there is a formation of RNS2 K2CO3 plus KBr plus water. Okay, the next we are having a Grebrel phthalimide synthesis. Phthalimide, in the presence of KOH, that is alcoholic KOH, there is a formation of potassium phthalimide. When it reacts with RX, that is alkyl halide, there is a formation of N-alkyl phthalimide. Again, when it reacts with an aqueous NaOH, there is a formation of a phthalic salt of sodium salt of phthalic acid plus primary amine. The next reaction is from alcohol. When this alcohol RO2 reacts with ammonia, there is a formation of Al2. There is a formation of primary amine in the presence of aluminum oxide, that is Al2O3, in the presence of 723 Kelvin. Okay, the next is this primary amine converted into secondary in the presence of Al2O3 and the reaction with alcohol, again with the same reactant we used in this. In the presence of Al2O3 there is a formation of tertiary amine, and this is a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary amines can be separated by fractional distillation. Physical properties, as you can read it out, these all the physical theoretical things you can read it out. Few points I am going to tell you. That aliphatic amines with the less than 3 carbon atom are the gaseous, and those with the more than 3 carbon atoms are the liquid, and further the higher number of carbon atom containing amines are solid, and so on. All the information has been, you have to read it out. The next come on the chemical reaction. The first topic in this is basic character of amines. So, if we compare the basic strength amongst the amines, the secondary amines are more basic than primary, then tertiary, then ammonia. As you know, the aliphatic amines are stronger than the ammonia. The basic strength of amines in aqueous solution is determined by the combined effect of inductive and steric factor and solvation of ions. Next, if we compare the basic strength in gaseous state, in the gaseous state the order is changed. First the more basic is a tertiary amine, then secondary amine, primary amine, and ammonia. Okay, and the next we are having this aromatic amines. Aromatic amines are less basic than the aliphatic amines, because the lone pair of nitrogen atom present in aniline get involved in resonance, and again aniline is the more stable than the anilinium ion. Hence aniline have very less tendency to combine with a proton to form a anilinium ion. Okay, the next is the effect of substituent on the basic character of aromatic amines. So on, if we attach a withdrawing group or donating group in the amine, that is in aromatic amines, then the basic strength will be in the order as it is shown in the figure. Okay, this all the comparison of amine. There is a withdrawing group, two group we are known as that a withdrawing group, and that is a donating group. Withdrawing group, they decreases the electron density from the amine, they withdraw the electron density from the amine. And donating group is those group which donate the electron density to the nucleus, that is your benzene. Okay, the compound on the next reaction, that is alkylation, that is RNS2. This RNS2 when reacts with Ri, there is a formation of secondary amine. When it reacts with again Ri, there is a formation of tertiary amine, and when it reacts with Ri, it will give a quaternary amine also over there here. Getting? Okay, the next we are having in the next video we will go through about the acylation reaction. Thank you.